Of the three angles of a triangle, one is twice the smallest. So they'll say let the smallest be A. So if the smallest is A, they said one is twice the smallest, which means say angle B is twice the smallest, and we know the smallest is A. And then next statement, it's given another is 3 times the smallest. Another is 3 times the smallest. So the another is say C is 3 times smallest. You know smallest is A. So in the triangle ABC, we have 3 angles. Angle A plus B plus C equals to 180. Now angle A is the smallest. We take it as A. The angle B we have seen is 2A. So it's 2A here. And angle C is 3A. So this is 3A, which is equal to 180. So we have 3A, 2A and 1A, 6A equal to 180, and you have A equal to 180 over 6, which is 30. So let's go ahead and find the angles. We have one angle A is 30, angle B is 2A, 2 into 30, 60, and angle C we saw is 3A, which is 3 into 30, which is 90. So the angles of the triangle are 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. In the figure, ABCD is a square. Find the value of x. Here ABCD is a square, so AD is parallel to CB. So let's write that. AD parallel to BC. And if it's parallel, the alternate angles will be equal. So these two angles will be equal. Here we have a Z. So X will be also 58 degrees. Reason? Alternate angles are equal. If the angles of a triangle are in a ratio 2:3:4, determine the angles. So angle A, B and C. The ratio is 2:3:4. So 2x, 3x, 4x. Next, we know A plus B plus C equals 180. So 2x, 3x, 4x equals 180. 9x equals 180. X equals 180 over 9. So you have got x equal to 20. When you go back to the angles, we know A is 2 into x, means 2 into 20, which is 40. B is 3 into x, so 3 into 20, which is 60. And C is 4 into 20, which is 80. In a parallelogram PQRS, so let's draw the parallelogram PQRS. Angle A, when angle P and plus angle Q is 180. So here quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Hence we can say angle P plus angle Q equal to 180. They are co-interior angles. So angle P we know is 3x minus 5, and Q is 2x plus 15. This is 180. So we have 5x plus 10 equal to 180. 5x is 180 minus 10. So 5x is 170. And x is 170 over 5, which is 34. So the value of x is 34. ABC and DF are two triangles. So ABC, DEF. AC is 2.5, so we have 2.5 centimeter, and BC is 5 centimeter. Maybe we write it in another color. So this is 5 centimeter. Angle C is 75. So here is angle C, 75 degrees. Then in the other side we have DE is 2.5. So DE 2.5. And DF is 5 centimeters. So DF 5 centimeters. Angle D is 75. So here is angle D. This is 75. Are the triangles congruent? And you say yes, they're congruent by SAS. This is S. And you have the A here and the S. SAS here too, S. You have the A and the S. So by SAS the triangles are congruent. So we write AC equal to D equal to 2.5. Then the next we have BC equal to DF equal to 2.5 centimeter, and angle C equal to angle D equal to 75 degrees. So the triangle ACB will be congruent to, and here you got to write the correspondence correctly. So ACB would be A, not A, would be EDF. Now remember that angle C and A were equal. So they have C here and D here. So angle C and D was equal. So that came right. Then we had AC equal to ED, which is also right. And we had then BC equal to DF, so which is also right. So the triangles are congruent by SAS test. PQRS is a square. So we have PQRS. PR and SQ intersect at O. So PR, SQ, they intersect at O. Next they say state the measure of POQ. So POQ is this angle. Now POQ will be 90. That's a property of the square. So angle POQ equal to 90 degrees because the diagonals of a square bisect at 90. At 90 degrees. The sum of the angles of triangle is, the sum of two angles of a triangle is equal to the third angle. That means if the triangles are angles are A, B and C, the sum of two angles, that means A plus B, equal to the third angle, equal to C. This is as per the condition. Now in the triangle ABC, we know A plus B plus C equal to 180. This is angle sum property. But we know A plus B is C. We've got it here, A plus B is C. So C plus C equal to 180. Twice C, 180. So your C will be 180 over 2. So C equal to 90 degrees. So the measure of the third angle is 90 degrees. ABCD is a rhombus and ABD is 40. So here is ABD and this is 40. Find the value of Y. Now in a rhombus we know the opposite, all the sides are equal. So we have AD is equal to AB. Let's write that. AD equal to AB. This is sides of rhombus. Now if the sides are equal, the angles also will be equal. So here this is 40, this also will be 40. So we have angle ABD equal to 40. Therefore angle ADB will also be 40. So in triangle ADB we have three angles, 1, 2, 3 equal to 180. That is 40, 40 and Y. So 80 plus Y equals 180. You have Y equal to 100 degrees. In the figure, if AC is a bisector of BAD such that AD equal to AB equal to 3 centimeters and AC is 5 centimeters, show that the triangles are congruent. So we're going to take the triangle ABC and then we'll take the triangle ADC and then we show they're congruent. So we have triangle ABC and triangle ADC and we are going to show them congruent. First we had AB equal to AD, 3 centimeters, that is given. And then you could also write AC equal to AC, common. And here we have these two angles are equal. Why are these two angles equal? Because AC is a bisector. So angle BAC will be equal to angle DAC. Let me mark those angles. So I have here BAC, this angle, equal to DAC. So now we say triangle BAC congruent to triangle TAC by SAS test. Hence BC equal to CD, CP, CT. Triangle ABC, the sides are given. AB is given as 5 centimeter, BC is given as 8 centimeter, CA is given as 7 centimeter. D and E are the midpoints of AB. So D is the midpoint of AB, so I put here D. And E is the midpoint of BC, so here. So I have D here, and I have E, and I have to find what is DE. Now this is midpoint D, midpoint of AB, and E, midpoint of BC. So I can say DE is half of AC. This is midpoint theorem. So DE is half of 7. DE equal to 3.5 centimeter. If the sides of a triangle are produced in order, prove that the sum of the exterior angles so formed is equal to 4 right angles. So we have here 3 exterior angles. This is angle 1, one exterior angle, the second exterior angle, and here is the third exterior angle. We need to find the sum of these 3 exterior angles. So let's take up the first exterior angle here. Then we have angle EAB, which is equal to the sum of the interior angles not adjacent, so equal to B and C, so equal to B plus C. This is the exterior angle property. Then we take this exterior angle that is angle FBC, which is equal to A plus C. Then the third exterior angle, so angle ACD will be equal to angle A plus angle B by exterior angle property. Now when we add up all the three exterior angles, we get A plus A, and that is 2A, B plus B, and that would be 2B, and we get 2C. So if we take 2 common out, we get A plus B plus C. And we know A plus B plus C is 180. Here we have A plus B plus C is 180. So we have 2. This would be 180. So this is 360. And 360 are 4 right angles. It's 4 into 90. So there's 4 right angles. So we have angle EAB, we'll put it here, angle EAB, that is one exterior angle, plus angle FBC plus angle ACD is 4 right angles. In a quadrilateral ABCD, so we have ABCD. The bisectors of A and B intersect at O. So here is the bisector of A, this is the bisector of B, and they intersect at O, such that OAB is 75. So this angle here is 75 degrees. Then find the angle C plus D. First we'll take up the triangle AOB. Now this triangle AOB has 3 angles. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180. Now here angle 1, this is the angle 1, which you know is A by 2 because it is a bisector. AO is a bisector. This also is B by 2. So we have A by 2, as it is bisector, B by 2 plus 75 equal to 180. So A plus B by 2 plus 75 equals 180. So A plus B by 2 equal to 180 minus 75. A plus B by 2 will be 105, which means A plus B equal to 105 into 2. So A plus B equal to 210. This is one part of the sum. Now again, if you go back to our quadrilateral, we know A plus B plus C plus D is 360. So A plus B C plus D equal to 360. That is a property of the quadrilateral. But we already know that A plus B is 210. We have found that 210. So plus C plus D 360. So you have C plus D 360 minus 210. So we have C plus D 2. Not too, when you subtract you get 150. So this is your answer. Prove that triangle ABC is isosceles if the altitude AD bisects BC. So we have, it's given to us a triangle. We have a triangle ABC, and in this triangle ABC, the altitude AD, this is the altitude AD, it bisects. So this is equal. So AD is altitude. It's got a 90 degrees at the base, and it bisects, which means BD equal to CD. Now we need to prove that it is isosceles. That triangle ABC is isosceles. So we take up the two triangles for the proof. We take up triangle ATB, that is this triangle ADB, and then we'll take up the other triangle ADC and prove that they are congruent, for which we know AD common, and we have a 90 degrees because it is altitude. These two angles are 90, so angle ADB equal to angle ADC equal to 90. The reason AD perpendicular to BC, and is given to us that these two are equal because it bisects. So we have BD equal to CD because AD bisects. So the triangles will be congruent by SAS. So triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC SAS. So this is S and this is your A and this is your S. So by SAS triangles they are congruent. If they are congruent by CPCT, I can say that equal to AC by CPCT. Therefore, triangle ABC is isosceles. In a parallelogram ABCD, so here I have a parallelogram ABCD. Angle A is given 115. We have to find all the other angles. First, we know angle A will be equal to angle C because that is a property of parallelograms. So ABCD is a parallelogram. So A equal to C, opposite angles equal. So that means we have this also is 115. So angle C also 115. And then we have adjacent angles. We have A plus B will be 180. So A plus B equal to 180. Co-interior angles. So 115 plus B equals 180. So B equal to 180 minus 115, which is 65. Now B is also equal to D. So B equal to D because the opposite angles. So we have angle B equal to angle D, opposite angles. So D will also be 65 degrees. In the figure, if PQ equal to PR, so let's mark that. This is PQ. It's equal to PR. So PQ equal to PR. One side is given, and angle Q equal to angle R. So let's mark that. That is angle Q equal to angle R. That's two given to us. Q equal to angle R. And we know this angle is common. P is common. P equal to angle P. This was given to us. So the triangle PQS will be congruent to triangle PRT by ASA test. So this is the ASA test. Prove that the diagonals of a rectangle are equal. So we have ABCD is a rectangle. So we write given ABCD is a rectangle, and then we have to prove the diagonals are equal. So diagonal is AC and DB. So we need to prove this. So AC equal to BD. To prove this, we'll take the two triangles. We'll take triangle DAB. This is one triangle. And then we take the other triangle. We take this triangle. And we will prove that they are congruent. So for the proof, we know AD equal to BC, opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So AD equal to BC, opposite sides of a rectangle. Then angle A equal to angle B equal to 90. Angles of rectangles. So angle A equal to angle B equal to 90. This is a rectangle. And then we have AB equal to AB, that is common. So AB equal to AB, common. So now the triangles are congruent by SAS. So triangle TAB will be congruent to triangle CBA. Let me just explain again. So we have DAB congruent to CBA. So if the triangles are congruent, we can say that the diagonals are equal. We can say DB equal to AC by CPCT. In the figure, AB equal to AC. Now if AB is equal to AC, we'll have X and X here. So AB equal to AC. Therefore angle B equal to angle C equal to X. We need to find angle B. So we'll use linear pair. Here is our linear pair. So 120 plus X equal to 180, linear pair. So X is 60. So if you have X 60, we'll also have that is C is equal to 60. B will also be 60. Because we saw that B equal to C. If angles are if sides are opposite, sides are equal, opposite angles are also equal. So this too will be 60, since AB equal to AC. The lengths of the diagonals are 24 and 18, diagonals of a rhombus. So ABCD is a rhombus. So this is 18. One is 24, one is 18. They intersect. So we have AC equal to 24, which means these two are equal. So here we'll have 12 and 12. So CO equal to half of AC. And CO will be half of 24, which is equal to 12. And on the other side we have DB or BD equal to 18. Therefore DO will be half of 18, which is equal to 9. So this is our DO. These are equal. So this is equal to 9. So let me draw the figure again. Here is a rhombus, A, B, C, D. That these were the diagonals. They intersected here. At this point, we saw that here this diagonal was 12. And this part was now 9. Here was 90 degrees. That's a property of the rhombus. Angle DOC equal to 90 degrees, the property of the rhombus. So by using Pythagoras, DO square plus OC square equal to DC square. Let me write that again. So we have here OC square plus OD square equal to DC square, which means 9 square plus 12 square equal to DC square. 81 plus 144 equal to DC square. So we have 225 equal to DC square. DC will be under root of 225. So DC equal to 15 centimeters. So this is 15 centimeters. We found it by Pythagoras theorem. Now here EGF is 90. So here we have given 90. And we have GEF is X. This is X. Find the value of X. We have two lines that are parallel, AB, parallel to CD. So we will use alternate angles. We make our Z. So this is our Z, which means this angle 65 here will be equal to this entire angle. We will take this angle as Y. So we have AB parallel to CD. So 65 equal to Y plus 30. Reason, alternate angles. So Y equal to 65 minus 30. So Y equal to 35 degrees. In the next step, we take the triangle GEF. Let's start at this GEF here. And in this triangle GEF, 3 angles 1, 2, 3 equal to 180. We know G is 90, X we don't know. We now recalculated Y as 35, so I will put 35. So we have 125 plus X equal to 180. So X is 180 minus 125. So X equal to 55 degrees. Here ABCD is a trapezium. If ABCD is a trapezium, we can say these two angles, when you add up, they will be 180 because they are co-interior angles. So CD parallel to AB and angle C plus angle B equal to 180, co-interior angles. So that is 95 plus Y equals 180. Y equal to 180 minus 95. So Y equals 85 degrees. This is the one part of the sum. Then if you take this two triangle, if you take this D and A, also will add up to 180, co-interior angles. Co-interior. So that is 2x plus 5, x plus 25 equal to 180. So 3x plus 30 equal to 180. 3x equal to 150. You get x equal to 50. So this is the second answer. X equal to 50. Here y equal to 85.